Welcome to Cape Paterson, a beautiful coastal spot in Victoria. This review was a difficult one for us.
We're here to review our stay at another caravan park. This has become a big thing for us, as we want to help inform travelers of what to expect. Here, Ingenia Caravan Park is split into two sections. Sounds simple enough, right?
Well, let's take you through our experience. This is no reflection on the staff. They were very friendly and helpful, but we at So Much 2C believe in telling it like it is. The following footage was taken a few days after arrival, but I do wish I had filmed it at the time. In the almost 6 years on the road and the countless caravan parks we have stayed at, we have never experienced anything like this. So let's get on with the video. On arrival at the main office, the staff were friendly and welcoming. However, we soon learned that our site wasn't in this section. Instead, we had to reverse out of the driveway onto a busy road at the time and drive a short distance up the road to reach the area where we'd be staying. Getting into this section required a bit of caution. Although it is quiet now, this area was full of cars and people, as there is public access to the beach from here. It doesn't look it, but the gate was quite narrow, making entry a little tricky. Once inside, we noticed the roads were also very narrow, or the sites were all full. It looked like they were crammed in like sardines. On top of that, some campers had left items too close to the road. We almost ran over a kid's bike. And then there were plenty of overhanging branches to deal with, so all this made maneuvering even more challenging. After some effort, we managed to get into our site. It was okay, but that's when we discovered another issue: our power and water connections. We had to run our power cable and water hose across our neighbour's site. The only way to do this, right in front of our neighbour's caravan. Not an ideal setup for us, or them. Even one of the workers who helped us seemed a bit confused about this. Was the other sites like this? To be honest, it was hard to tell. The sights to me seemed very unorganized. Also, we did witness others who came after us, some having no problem while others did, and was as confused as we were. Despite everything, the amenities looked new and very clean. The same applies to the laundry, where you will find only one washer and dryer. As you walk around the back of the building, you will find the clothesline and camp kitchen. Nothing fancy, but you do have the basics, which is all you need. As you walk further down the path, you will find the dump point. Everything is clean, which is a definite plus. It's quiet now, but a few days ago each one of these sites were occupied. I have no idea what the other half looks like. I never went to have a look. But when booking, in most cases, you have no idea where they are going to place you. So, would we come back? Unfortunately, no. The park was simply too crowded and the setup wasn't practical for us. And before you ask, no, there weren't any other sites available. It is a shame that this was not one of our favourites because it does have other great things going for it, like beach access and a short drive to many other amazing beaches and locations, like Phillip Island, and if you want to Wilson's Promontory. Cape Paterson itself is a stunning place, but as for the caravan park, it just didn't work for us. Have you stayed here before? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews across Australia. Until next time, happy travels!